Are you tired of launching products that fail to resonate with your users? Struggling to understand why your designs aren't hitting the mark? You're not alone. Many designers and product teams face the challenge of creating user experiences that truly connect with their audience. Enter UX research, the secret weapon that can transform your product development process. By mastering the art of UX research, you'll gain invaluable insights into your users' needs, behaviors, and pain points. But where do you start? How do you conduct effective research that leads to actionable results? In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your UX research project with confidence. From understanding the fundamentals to overcoming common challenges, we'll cover everything you need to know to become a UX research pro. Understanding UX research fundamentals is the first step. Defining UX research and its importance is crucial. Get ready to unlock the power of user-centered design and create products that your audience will love. Transform your product development process and connect with your audience like never before. Check the details in the description below